Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 31st, 2025, and we're diving into Apple's fiscal 2025 third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Apple has just released its Q3 results. Can you give us a brief overview?
Absolutely. Apple reported a record-breaking quarter with total revenue of $94 billion, marking a 10% increase year over year. The company also achieved a diluted EPS of $1.57, which is a 12% increase from the previous year. This performance was driven by strong growth in iPhone, Mac, and services revenue.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Apple reported a net revenue of $94 billion for the third quarter, which is a significant increase from last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by a 13% increase in iPhone revenue, reaching $44.6 billion, and a record $27.4 billion in services revenue. The company's strategic focus on expanding its services ecosystem and continuous innovation in its product lineup have paid off, contributing to this impressive performance.
And what about profitability?
Apple's EPS grew by 12% year over year to 157 cents, surpassing the analysts' forecast of 142s. This was supported by a robust gross margin of $43.7 billion, reflecting effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on Apple's operational efficiencies and their future outlook?
Sure. Apple's gross margin reached $43.7 billion, and operating income was $28.2 billion, both showing strong year-over-year growth. The company has declared a cash dividend of 26 per share, reflecting its commitment to returning value to shareholders. Looking ahead, Apple's focus on innovation and expanding its services is expected to drive continued growth.
That's promising. How does the leadership view these results?
CEO Tim Cook expressed pride in achieving a June quarter revenue record, highlighting double-digit growth across key product lines and geographic segments. CFO Kevan Parekh emphasized the record EPS growth and the expanding installed base of active devices, which bodes well for future performance.
Risk factors and strategic initiatives. Every company faces risks. What are the potential challenges Apple might encounter?
Apple's forward-looking statements highlight risks such as global economic conditions, competitive pressures, and reliance on third-party components. However, the company's strategic initiatives, including continuous innovation and services expansion, are designed to mitigate these risks and sustain growth.
And how confident is the leadership in navigating these challenges?
Leadership remains highly confident. Tim Cook and Kevan Parekh have both expressed optimism about Apple's ability to leverage its strong brand, customer loyalty, and innovative capabilities to overcome potential challenges and capitalize on growth opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, Apple has delivered a stellar performance in Q3 2025 with record revenue and EPS growth. The company's strategic focus on innovation and services expansion continues to drive its success. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Apple's impressive results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Apple's performance in the comments below.